a magnificent creation filled with countless signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wisdom and artistry, from lush forests and flowing rivers to towering mountains and boundless oceans. Nature is a gift entrusted to humanity, but are we acting like guardians of earth or agents of its destruction? Let us watch Crescent ILM KG2 students give us an important message about this. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created a beautiful world full of trees, rivers and animals. Everything was happy and peaceful. We give fresh air and fruits to all. I give oxygen for all to breathe. I provide water for everyone to drink and stay alive. We live happily in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's beautiful world. Alhamdulillah, everything is perfect. But humans started harming Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creations. I need wood to build my house. Oh no, without trees, the air will not be fresh. There is no greenery anymore. They have cut me down to make space for more houses and cities. I want many houses and many cars. I don't care about the earth. I will do whatever I want. I have become polluted. I'm not clean anymore. I don't care where my trash goes. My water is dirty. Fish and animals will die. Go away! We need this land for buildings. My home has been destroyed. Where can we go? Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. ولا تبذر تبذيرا إن المبذرين كانوا إخوان شياطين وكان الشيطان لربه كفورا. But then humans realized their mistake and asked for forgiveness. We should not have cut so many trees. We need to plant more trees. We should not pollute the air anymore. We must keep the water clean. We should protect animals, not harm them. Ya Allah, forgive us. We will protect your creations. Alhamdulillah. Now the world is happy again. Let's take care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's gifts. وهو الذي جعلكم خلائف الأرض ورفع بعضكم فوق بعض درجات ليبلوكم فيما آتاكم إن ربك سريع العقاب وإنه لغفور رحيم.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there. If you care enough for the living, make a little space, make a better place. To the world, make it a better place. For you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. Fear of dread, we stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. Make a better world. Make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place. For you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me.
Save nature, save the world.